Hello friends, so welcome to Tech Planet AI. So my name is Ashish Bansal. So I am here with another video. So how to install Anaconda on MacBook Air, right? So before that, please subscribe to my channel, that is Tech Planet AI, in which I have made a playlist of the Python basic Python course for the beginners. So you can see all the modules have been listed down. You can have the Anaconda installation, data types, variables, strings, methods, dictionary, right? Keep on subscribe to my channel and like and comment and share. Okay, so let's begin with the Anaconda installation on a fresh laptop, that is MacBook Air. So I have updated my MacBook to current version, that is monterey, and that is version 12.3.1. So let us try to install Anaconda. So first of all, let's go to internet and I will say download Anaconda. So it will give me the first link, which appears as the Anaconda distribution, which is the world's most popular open source Python distribution platform. So why Anaconda? So why not Python? I need to install Python, right? Because Anaconda is a toolkit. So basically you not only get your Python along with the Anaconda installation, but also you get around 25 to 8,000 libraries or the packages, right? So which comes with Anaconda itself. So some of the features include your Jupyter notebook, your Spyder IDE, your TensorFlow framework, PyTorch, Conda, Matplotlib, Pandas, and all these libraries are already included in this Anaconda distribution. Okay, so if you are working on your operating system that is on Windows, so it will automatically detect which operating system is you currently working. And for me it is Mac OS, so it has already been detected, and the version of Python is Python 3.9. So although the Python 3.10 is also been released, so you can also download from the official website of Python, but with the Anaconda it gives the version as 3.9, and it is my 64-bit graphical installer, that is the 64-bit, right? If you're having 32-bit, then automatically you need to go to, or it will detect it is a 32-bit, and it will, you can download from it. So let's begin the download process. So it is, the package is being downloaded, and I'll pause for a few seconds until this downloading happens. Okay, so my Anaconda has been downloaded, so I will double click on it. So I will allow. So now you can go to click on continue, then readme part, continue, license, I agree or continue. Okay, then it will take around 540.3 MB of your space on your computer. I will install. So it will take around couple of seconds, and it is being currently installing. Next screen, it is asking for the PyCharm ID, so I will click on continue. Then I will, the installation was completed successfully. Okay, so do you want to move the Anaconda 3 installer to the bin? Yes, we already installed the Anaconda, so there is no point in keeping the files in your downloads folders. It will add up your space, so it is better to move into the recycle bin, right? So now I will go to into the finders and into the applications. So here I will see my Anaconda Navigator, right? So in this case you can see that the Anaconda has been successfully installed. So now how to run it? I will just simply click on this Anaconda Navigator. So basically what is a Navigator? So Navigator is a interface in where you can go and select different components. For example, you need ID, you wanted to work with your Jupyter notebooks, or you wanted to work with Spyder, right? So this Navigator provides you all the necessary software or the tools which are required for development purpose or your data science projects. Okay, so currently it is being initializing, and it will take around a couple of seconds to get it initialized, and then a screen will appear which will give you all the necessary services or softwares which you wanted to work on. Okay, so if someone asks you what is Anaconda, so you can simply say that it is a toolkit which will not only provide you Python, it will also provide you additional libraries which is needed for your software development process. Okay, so now in the Navigator you can see that a screen has come up where it will say a data lore, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Jupyter Lab, we have notebooks, we have Spyder, we have PyCharm for professionals, right? And we have your Orange 3, right? So it is saying that there is a new version of Anaconda Navigator available. We strongly recommend to update. If you click yes, Anaconda Navigator will close and then Anaconda Navigator updater will start, right? So I will not update it now, I will update it later, right? So let's begin with the process. So now I wanted to show you how we can go and do our first hello world program with Anaconda Navigator and using your Spyder ID. Okay, so here you can see that, so here there is a launch button right in your Spyder. So Spyder is a very powerful Python IDE which gives you advanced editing and your debugging and your which is a tool, which is a software toolkit which is required for your building of your applications, right? So let us try to launch this. So it is currently launching your Spyder ID, and meanwhile it gets launched, so I will walk through the other part for it. Okay, so now here you can see that there's environments, right? So here, as I already stated, that there are around 8,000 libraries which are already been installed in Anaconda, right? So you don't need to explicitly go to the internet and ask for the specific library, right? So basically these are the libraries which are already been installed for you, right? And there are some libraries which are not installed, right? For example, these are the libraries which are not installed, and if you wish to install those libraries, you can simply click on the library you want and then you can click on apply, so it will get installed from the internet. Make sure your internet has been connected. Okay, so now we have gone to the Spyder. So this is the interface of Spyder. So on to the left hand side there is an editor which will, here you can write your Python programs and okay, so this is your Spyder. So let us check whether my Python is being already been installed on this Spyder and I could run my first hello world program in your Spyder ID or not, right? So as you can see on the console, so it says that it is an I interactive Python shell which says that the Python 3.9.7 is being installed. Okay, so from here you can confirm that which version of Python you are currently working on. Or let's say you wanted to run the first hello world program, so you will simply say print and you will say hello world. Okay, I will just increase the font size in order to see. Okay, so here's the run button which will try to run this file. So I will try to click on run button and you say run. So now you can see that in the console it has given me hello world, the output. Okay, so this is all about your Spyder ID. So now we have successfully installed Anaconda and we have also written our first hello world program in your Spyder ID. Okay, so guys, this is all about for now. So stay tuned for my next videos. So for the Anaconda, for the PyCharm installation and for setting up the Git repository and more, there are more videos which I'm gonna be uploading this month. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel Tech Planet AI. For till now, take care, goodbye, see you.